Introducing the world's first movie creation app fully AI-powered.
Lava
Effortlessly
poured through the
transform your
streets.
idea into ultra-realistic
Flames
8K
consumed the
cinematic
town.
movies.
And a fiery beast
With done-for-you
bound for
actors,
decades
scripts, dialogue,
unleashed its
music,
wrath.
and more.
He and his
No manual
loyal
video
followers
shooting,
began to
script writing,
transform
or face reveal
his
needed.
tattered cloak.
Experience these stunning AI-generated
Unmatched
cinematic
armor. The
creations.
lantern morphed into a weapon.
Here you are
of
watching some
energy.
output clips before going in depth.
Grew larger.
Stay connected, I
Together,
will show you everything in
now
detail
his
step by
warriors
step.
forged the
I will
lantern's
put the
magic.
link in description.
He descended into
I
the
recommend you to try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money-back guarantee. One-time payment, no recurring cost. So you can now imagine creating ultra-realistic 8K AI
Before you
short
go,
film
you
and
must
movies with AI in just minutes. Fully automated AI-generated scripts, AI stunning visuals, AI voiceover, dubbing and lip sync with dialogues, instantly generate lifelike actors, complete with customizable looks, movements, and personalities. Integrated video songs and AI background
Oops.
music.
Sorry to interrupt.
Real-time editing,
There
add
you
cinematic camera effects.
I'm glad we
Choose from
finally
multiple
found you.
genres and themes,
Kuroko
automatically
Cherry
translate
Sun.
scripts and dialogues into multiple languages. Produce complete, ready-to-publish cinematic short films in less
We
than
gather
2
that
minutes
some
in a
of your
single
memory
AI.
has come back. Regretfully, I reset your memory as was stipulated in the Kuroko Charter. Rest assured, I wish to aid your full review.
Let's log into Dashboard and start your AI movie journey. You will find all necessary options on left menu. On the prompt box, write your expectation. Here, I wrote, Return to Pandora, a world of wonder on the brink of war, where one warrior must fight to save it from destruction. And clicked on Generate button made this clip in seconds. Then AI movie voiceover feature for creating voiceover. Adding human-like voiceovers and select your preferred language. And choose your voice artist, select pace and pause. And on text box add your text you want as voiceover and click on Generate button to create your voiceover. After generation of the voiceover, you will see the file automatically download. Now go back to AI Movie Maker option, select your generated video and upload the audio file. You will see it will adjust it automatically. Now download the clip and see the result.
Pandora. A world of wonder. Now on the brink of war. The balance is broken. The fight for survival begins. One warrior. One destiny. One final stand. Return to Pandora. The war has begun.
You can also able to use all the feature like AI Movie Assistant to make your movie script or other help. By just writing what you want. You will able to get instant support from AI Movie Assistant section if you need any help. You can use AI Movie Name feature for name your movie. Make your movie dialogue from AI Movie Dialogue section. Input your story description, select length, creativity, and tone then generate. A movie music, sound, voice can be generated from next 3 options and also you can make poster from AI Movie Poster section. Not only that you can also generate tags for your movie from AI Movie Tags section. And upload your AI movie to any app platform directly from AI Movie platform to earn passive income. If this video helps, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's see another generated AI short film with this AI.
It was too late. The light should have come sooner. The earth beneath the village cracked open, and from the depths emerged a monstrous being of fire and destruction. Lava poured through the streets. Flames consumed the town, and a fiery beast, bound for decades, unleashed its wrath. On the hill, the old man stood with his lantern, the flame flickering with ancient power. As its glow intensified, both he and his loyal dog began to even if one of his companions had to leave him. The new one will follow him on his path.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money-back guarantee.